things persisting, or you can relate to any one of those three things, more than likely it's been because the main focus is not being value, right? So if we have to make a shift as leaders, as executives, or even within data teams, towards focusing on value, the first port of call is to focus on how do we embed what we deliver back into the organization. And that would typically look like is when you're delivering something, you need to ask yourself the question, what does this look like? If your business counterparts doesn't ask you or tell you what they intend to do with the outputs, you need to ask them. It's something I've been guilty of in my career. People just told me build churn models, build this, build that. I was just too excited that they're giving me a complex problem to solve. I go back and I build it, and then when it comes to time to delivery, you're like, oh, we haven't really thought about how we're going to use this. And then you spend 3 to 6 months debating this and sitting in meetings. And after those 6 months, finally business is aligned and they now know what they want to do with it. And then you go to IT, and IT says, listen, you're coming in way too late. We've got other priorities. We're busy with transformation stuff and putting in your digital platforms and doing integration. We don't have capacity to entertain you. And
Yeah.
then you feel demotivated because you've put in the time and the effort to get to the point of delivery. So that one shift that you can make is really focusing on asking the question around, if we're delivering something, how are we going to use it? And not just how are we going to use it, what problem does this solve for us that's going to lead to value creation?